Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And I haven't posted in a long time, but to those who have subscribed, thank you very much. To you who's viewing this video, thank you very much. To you who's about to subscribe, thank you very much. To you who will subscribe, thank you very much. All in all, I appreciate guys very much, and I'd like you to hit the subscribe button. I'd like you to hit the notification button, to like the channel, and I appreciate it very much. And yeah, today guys, I just want to talk about what really go down, what went down actually to us as a Samuel family during lockdown and twin pregnancy. Yeah, everyone was excited. That's even today when people see us, they're like, "Oh, guys, congratulations!" As yeah, well, thank you. That's what we say. But honestly, there's so much going on, guys. When you are pregnant, and you're pregnant with twins, and it's under lockdown. My last video, please go and check it out. It was about what we as dad go through, because it's always mothers who are always active talking about what goes on and on and on, but we as dad has been like in the back seat, like it's like we don't go through some stuff. Little did I know that even the kids as well, it affects them somehow. Basically this is what happened. The sister in the family, Luanda, acted as a mother, and we didn't first notice that until we got a call from school that she is struggling to finish her work because she's like always tired. I know some of you may think like maybe we overworked her, but we didn't. What she would do, she started falling in love with food channels, and then we thought, okay, she loves to cook. And then she would sometimes ask, "Dad, can I do your ironing?" She did breakfast for me sometimes when I'm from work, even if I'm not from work. I remember one day when she did breakfast for me, and it was a huge, God, it was a huge problem for all of us, because the mother was so crossed with all of us, actually with her, because she said, Luanda made me, the father, the breakfast instead of making her the breakfast, because she's the one who has to get all the attention. Everything good in the family has to be about her, because she's the one who's carrying the children, who's carrying the twins. So she didn't understand, and she cried, and we felt so bad. But we tried to resolve that, and she would sometimes look at the breakfast and she would not like it, and it confused Luanda, like, what does mom really want? Because I'm doing this, she doesn't like. So for her as a child, it was just too much, And then Junior, at the other hand, the young lady in the family, because I have two kids, Luanda and Junior. Luanda, who's 9 years old, and Junior, who would be 6 years old to next year. Okay, basically 5 years. So Junior is the one who didn't get attention from the mom, because as a last born, you with mom you have that relationship, because you're a last born and you're a boy. So all of a sudden, boom, that love and affection is gone. It has to stop, and nobody cares about how you cry. Nobody cares. Actually mom is the one who's crying often than you now. So for him, it was not so nice. So, and at school as well, they were not going at school in a normal days. They were going to school today, tomorrow they don't, the following day they go. More like there is always that gap between the school days. So they had to adjust to all of that, At home, mom doesn't want noise. She doesn't want people bothering her about, this and that, hungry homework and everything. So it was too hard for them, as well. So I was so into how we as dad go through, but I didn't realize that the kids as well are going through so much. So really, guys, pregnancy and lockdown together was very stressful to us as a family. But what we did, we managed, because I got a call from school. I went there and they told me that Luanda doesn't finish her work. Juna is interrupting teachers because he's seeking attention, which I didn't expect. Actually, Juna is like the coolest guy, and now for him to disturb the teachers, it didn't really make sense, but it happened. And that's basically what happens. And this is why I always say, we as dads has to be more hands-on when it comes to pregnancy, because things can go out of hand if you are not paying too much attention. I know it's a new experience for all of us, mom, twins, she may have been pregnant before, but not with twins. But now she's pregnant with twins, so the hormones will be doubled. Actually, everything seems doubled. So the kids are not used to some, routines. So I think you as daddy, you have to be the one leading, making sure that everyone is okay and everyone cope in this situation. So now the twins have arrived, and the sad part is they arrived and I couldn't see them. I couldn't go there like previous. I would just go in the ward. With Luanda, I even went to theater when she was delivering, because it was not natural birth, so they had to, So I was there during the whole time. I was the first to hold Luanda, and with it was a bit different, but I was there the whole time as well. But with the twins, it was just so stressful, because no one was allowed to even go inside the hospital except the patient, because of the COVID-19 regulations. It was just so hard. And then the babies arrived prematurely, I think on the 31st week. With twins it can be complicated. If you are fortunate enough, you can go up to 34 weeks, 35 weeks, somewhere there. But for us it wasn't that the case. We couldn't keep them until that period. So on the 31st week they came, and they had to be, I don't know, in a sort of a glass container. I don't know what it was. I could only see them. We would maybe sneak. I would ask her to sneak with the phone in that place and do a video call, WhatsApp call, during the feeding time. So it was just not nice meeting my babies via WhatsApp call for the first time, but that was the only option we had. And I had to be alone for 3 weeks. Fortunately, they allowed me to take paternity leave, and I applied for an annual leave as well. So I stayed at home the whole time. I had to go there, and supply with whatever she needed at that time. So yeah, basically this is what happened. But next time I will post the pictures, the videos, the experiences, our video calls and everything, just to see them. But now they are growing, and we are happy they are growing. When they came, even the newborn, the newborn clothes didn't fit them. We tried the tiny clothes, they didn't fit. So yeah, but now they are fitting in, so I can now safely post them for you to see the progress, how they're growing up. But what is happening now is just that sometimes I'm the one who's not going to sleep to make sure that when they cry, I feed them. Sometimes it's gonna be mom, but I made sure that during the first 2 weeks, mom sleeps at night because she had this labor in the hospital, and she was still going through many things in her mind because she had to witness a lot of things, the tiny bodies, the pipes going in and out of their nose and mouth, in the body, syringes, everything. She would cry sometimes, so she says. So I tried by all means to make sure that she gets the rest that she deserved. Even now, she's still tired. I thought it by now, because it's been 6 weeks, I thought by now she would be fine, but I can see that she can't be fine, so I just have to be there. And my worry is on the 28th of this month, I'm going back to work, and I'm not sure how she will survive. So this is why sometimes I just wanted to subscribe to the channel so that I may have ads on my channel, so that I may get paid, so that I may, make extra cash. You help me, I help you. But anyways, this is my plea. Husbands, boyfriends, or anybody who has impregnated a woman, please be there. They need your support. They need our support. And to the absent fathers, you are missing out. There's nothing beautiful than to see them smiling. When you feed them, they will just look into your eyes. Well, sometimes they look lost, like you try to play with them, it's like they don't hear you, they just look whatever they look. But there's this thing that they do before they sleep. They just smile, even if they don't smile at you, because at first I thought they're smiling at me, but I realized that no, before they sleep they'll just smile. And God, those moments when you feed them, just try that. The what we call the KMC. This is what mothers do. I do. I will call it KDC, kangaroo dedicate. Where you just do skin to skin. Those things. You grow together. You bond during those moments. So try it. Don't let mommies, even worse, aunties, nannies, to do all those things with your children. Just be there as the father, and I think by so doing there will be less rapists and all those things, because I really don't understand how a man can rape a child. But that's the story for another day. Guys, thank you so much. Once again, subscribe. Now, I promise you there will be more video coming. I'll post the progress, how they do, the reaction, everything. Sometimes I even post them, how when I'm feeding them, when we're doing KDC. Remember, KDC, kangaroo dedicate. The KMC we are taking over as men now. We are taking over. They've done it before. They've taken over our spaces, so now we are intruding their spaces now. We are taking over parenting. We are there now. We're not gonna just sit there and let the mummies and nannies do the parenting. We're just gonna be there. As much as sometimes you have to go to work and do stuff, but the moment we get a chance, we're just gonna make sure that we use that chance to the fullest. So guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and thank you for watching the video till now. Thank you so much.